Uploading orders shouldn't slow you down, whether it's 10 or 1000 parcels per day. What if you had a perfect uploading method according to your business need, style, and speed? Most courier systems offer one way of uploading orders. If you don't fit to their systems, you get stuck with extra work. Let's be honest. Small merchants don't need APIs. Big sellers don't want to click hundreds of times. Everyone just wants to fast and easy method. Introducing Curfox uploading methods. Curfox built for everyone, solo to enterprises. Here you can upload the orders on your way. Single order upload, some manual one. Perfect for small businesses and social sellers. Just enter detail one by one and save them. Ideal if you handle just 10 to 15 orders per day. Option 2 is bulk order uploading via Excel. This is perfect for growing merchants. Download the template, add the orders and upload to the system. Save hours of time and avoid the errors. Third option is API integration. Perfect for large marketplace and merchants. Connect to a Shopify, ERP or customly built backend. Orders sync automatically as they placed, sync it and forget it. This means you get fewer mistakes, faster processing, cleaner data, happier merchants, more deliveries, fewer delays. A growing Facebook seller switched from manual upload to Excel uploads. After he switched to Excel, then now he is using the APIs. Currently, he ships more than 1,200 parcels per week. Curfox grows with you, step by step. Uploading orders shouldn't slow you down. Curfox lets you upload your way. Small, growing or scaling fast. Choose your uploading method. Upgrade anytime. No switching pain. Spend less time uploading, more time delivering. Ready to simplify your uploading process? Book a free consultation demo now.